When you buy a car that costs almost 30 lakhs on road, you expect everything to go smoothly. Well, that's not the case every time. Hi guys, welcome back to Automobile Infos. Today I am going to share my honest delivery experience of the Mahindra BE6 Batman Edition, and I'll also tell you all the goodies I got along with it. So first let's come to the delivery. So I asked them that I want delivery on a particular Friday in December. I asked them to get the car ready by 12 o'clock and tell us all the required paperwork. Well, the delivery happened at about 6:30 or 7 pm. I don't blame them entirely because the RTO website was not working, and we all know how the scene is with government websites sometimes due to heavy traffic. The delivery experience though was quite nice. They got a bouquet, cake and a few extra things. They cleaned the car extremely well, and all the senior dignitaries were present of the showroom, so we had a good time until we reached home. So Mahindra gives this goodie box with the electric origin SUVs, and this goodie box also has these two booklets which I was using. So you can keep your paperwork inside these booklets, and that is what I was doing. And this was the box that we got along with the car. Now if you open it, this is all that you get inside. So you get this microfiber towel that I have not used, but it is quite soft. Apart from that microfiber towel and those booklets, you get this. This is an interior cleaning spray thing, and this was perfectly fine until my car went to get its AC fixed. This broke at the service center. I didn't care to tell them because it's a small thing, but still, this was in the car and it was perfectly fine before the car went to the service center, but I received it broken. It's still pretty useful, but this doesn't stay in. They broke it at the service center somehow. Obviously not intentional, but they don't look after your car that well either. This is super useful and it's also available on Amazon, so it's not really that big a deal. But the things do not end here. Well, you get this mug, and this is how I received it. You see, this is exactly how I received it. Of course, the monetary value does not matter, but this would be such a cool decoration in the room. And it was really disheartening to see it broken into pieces. When I told my salesperson, he said, "How is this possible?" As if we intentionally broke it. And it just didn't seem right to ask them for the cup again because it's a small thing, but they should really learn that it's not about the monetary value, it's just about the significance that this holds. It's good to see that you have a token of Mahindra, but this is how I received it. So this kind of spoiled the delivery experience a little bit. Well, what happens next is even more interesting. So as you all know, I'm part of a WhatsApp group that has all the Batman Edition owners of India. There's about 250 people in that group, and thanks to that group, I found out that Batman Edition owners were supposed to get these goodies as well. They were provided from Mahindra, not the dealership. When I asked my salesperson, he said that these were only given out in some states, and that didn't make sense at all. Why would Mahindra send goodies in just some particular states? All 999 owners were supposed to be special. They wouldn't be selecting random customers out of that. So I did the next thing, which was mail customer care, asking for these goodies. Now there were 3 goodies that were given to other owners. One were the glasses, one was this car perfume, and one was the blueprint of the Batman edition. Well, even after writing the mail, I did not get the blueprint. These things are also available on Amazon. These things barely cost 2000 rupees or 2500 rupees. The blueprint was the most important thing. It was the thing that was most authentic, the most valuable, and they didn't have that. So I wrote a mail again. And after waiting for a week, after waiting for 2 weeks, I finally got a reply. My dealer told me that they couldn't arrange the blueprint, and that was super disheartening. Of course, he was ready to compensate me with an interior cleaning of my car. But think about this, the interior cleaning would barely cost 700 or 1000 rupees even if I get it done from a premium detailer. But the blueprint would have been a memory for life. You know, it was something unique. And back then I didn't know the Batman edition would be relaunched. So for me, only 999 units of the blueprint also existed, even fewer. They couldn't arrange the blueprint, and I'm shocked to see how they couldn't do it. Because if Mahindra, such a big brand, launches a car that costs 30 lakhs and gives you some goodies with it, then I think that every owner should get it. This is the car perfume that I got. I will link these down in the description. These are available on Amazon also if you want to get them. I do not like any kind of artificial smell in my car, so I haven't used it, but I'm pretty sure it will be good. I'll still give this a try and let you know. What I'm disheartened most about is not the delivery experience, is not the mug either, but the blueprint which mattered the most to me has not been given to me. And I think that this is unfair, and I've written out repeated emails to Mahindra. I've tried contacting their customer care on Instagram, everything I've done, but it has not worked. So what I'm trying to say is that if you get a Mahindra vehicle, then please be particular. Check everything they give with the car, because sometimes it's not about the monetary value, it's about the emotion that it carries. These glasses, if I show you, you can see that this is also super cool, but these are also kids size, so it's of no use to me either. And I don't know if every owner was given a kid size, but I'm actually done with writing them emails every second day, because apparently only a few things get cleared without the email. um, so if you see, this is also packed as it is. As you can see, these are also pretty cool. They also have the Batman logo here. So this is all Batman themed. As you can see, Batman logos all across. Again, kid size. I think you can get this replaced at Lenskart for a larger size. I'll visit their showroom once and check if that's possible. You get this wipe for the glasses. This, let's see how it smells. So what this is essentially meant to do is you take this out of here. So you actually take one of these and you have to hang it here, like so it will just be this one hanging, and you spray this once or twice, and that is how it is meant to spread fragrance in your room, in your car I mean. So this is the perfume. It smells pretty good actually. It's pretty strong, but as I said, I just don't like artificial smell in my car. I like to keep it just the way it is. But still, if you like this, I'll link it down in the comments below. That's it for this video, guys. I just shared my honest delivery experience. I just wanted to put this out to Mahindra that they can really improve on the customer experience, on the delivery experience. A showroom passes out hundreds of cars each month, but a customer buys only one in many years. So the delivery experience matters a lot more to the customer than the dealership actually thinks. This is just a request to them to focus more on the experience. Experience matters the most. And if you're really giving out goodies with a special edition, then please make sure that every customer gets it. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.